Guys, ito na yung upgrade natin na setup. Bali guys, 1,380 watts. Yan. 24 volts yung battery natin, naka-series. Bali ito guys, nung nandito pa to guys dito, at tinesting natin ng load na water pump, 750 watts. Yan, nandito siya guys. Yung nasinet up na natin ito dito guys, bali nagdagdag tayo ng load guys ng ng 147 watts na na chest freezer. 147 watts. Bali ang load na nito guys is 147 watts na chest freezer saka water pump na 1 horsepower na 750 watts. Yan guys. Nakukuha niya guys na solar panel natin 117 volts 0.9, 117.8 volts. Yan yung battery natin guys, tapos yung amperahe. Tapos yung solar inverter natin guys. Output guys, 2060 Hz. Guys, yan na, Mandarin water pump. Yung load natin guys, 27%.